Hi, you are welcome to Maths class. Now today we are going to look at the question under inequalities. Now let's look at the question we have. Sketch the graph of the following. A. X is less than or equals to 2. B. Y is greater than or equals to 3. A. X is less than or equals to 2. Now to sketch the graph of this, the first thing is to get the boundary line. Now, the boundary line, just change this inequality to equality. We have x equals to 2 is the boundary line. That's all. Now, after this, you draw your Cartesian plane. This is your y and this is your x. So we have 1, 2, 3. This one is 1, 2, and so on, and this one is 0. Now, x is equals to 2. X equals to 2. X equals to 2 is here. So you draw a line that will pass through values of x. Now, you now look at the inequality. X is less than or equals to 2. Values of x that is less than 2. Where are they? They are here. Alright, this is the unwanted part. So, you do this. So, this is the sketch of this inequality. So, you write on it that this is x is less than or equals to 2. Now, look at this region. You can just signify it by R. Okay, so R represents the region where the solution set lies. So you can just back up your graph with this and say the solution sets lie on the unshaded region R. Okay, so that answers the first question. And let's look at the second one. X is greater than or equals to 3. So, x is greater than or equals to 3. Just like we did the other time, we found the boundary line. We have y equals to y is greater than or equals to 3. Okay, so y equals to what? 3 is the what? Is the boundary line. Alright, so from here you can draw your Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane, we have x and this is y. We have 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, and so on. So now, okay, now values of x and y rather. These are values of y. So y equals to 3. This is 3. So you draw a line. You observe that I'm using block line. I use block line here. So now I'm also using block line. I can use broken line. I will use broken line if it is strictly greater than. So probably the next lesson I'm going to explain that to you. So I'm using block line because it is greater than or equals to. Alright, so now you can see now y equals to 3. So we just draw the line. Now look at this inequality. Y is greater than or equals to 3. So values that are greater than or equals to 3, they are where? They are 4. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, they are 4. So these parts, they are the unwanted parts. The unwanted parts. So I will write y is greater than or equals to 3. So this is the region R. So you can also back it up the way we did the other time, that the solution sets lie on the unshaded region R. Alright, so that is the answer to the question. I want to believe that